Don't mess it up.
Abra el horno de Marcudas. Alright. Tape la boya. Tape la boya. And cocina en el horno de Marcudas de 15 segundos. Why are you just recording the numbers? Look at the book. Why are you recording me? You can
Don't touch me.
Alright. Keep it on that way. We're gonna get some nice for the machine in the parking lot. Wait. Sage la boya de el horno de Marcudas.
Is it worth it? Do you want to see them or do you want to show off to them? The private plane, the fancy watch. You still want to feel that you're the big kahuna on the campus.
That's not even a thing.
You know what? I'm thinking, Marico. If you want to go in the okay, go in the
Honga hot dogs and boya.
If you want to go there so bad, that's the only way you're going to get there.
I'm not trying to get me there. I'm trying to get you there.
Come las hot dogs.
I may have exaggerated
Okay.
size.